Hello guys, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to Aishwarya's Math Classroom. In this video, we'll be discussing about prime numbers and composite numbers. So, let's get started. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Okay, for example, if we take 2, see, we have only two factors, that is 1 and 2, that is 1 and the number itself. Again, for 3, if we take, we have only 1 and the number itself, that is 3. So, this type of numbers are known as prime numbers. What if we take 4? 4, we have, see, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Then 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is again 4. So, we have how much factors? We have three factors here. 1, the number itself, and another factor 2. So we have three factors. So 4 is not a prime number. So prime numbers means it should only have two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. What are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So these are the 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Now let's see. 2 is the smallest and only even prime number. If you look at the numbers over here, see, all the rest, all numbers are odd. Only 2 is the even number. So we can say 2 is the smallest and only even prime number. Got it? Then 3. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Then 3, 5, 7 are the only pair of consecutive odd prime numbers. I hope you understood. Now let us move on to the next page. Composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors including 1. For example, if we take 4, we can write 1 into 4 is how much? 4. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 into 1 is again 4. So we have 1, 2 and 4 as factors. That means three factors we are getting. 1, the number itself, and 2. Okay. So more than two factors we are getting including 1. This type of numbers are known as composite numbers. Example, 4, 6, 8 and 9 are all composite because they are divided by numbers other than just 1 and themselves. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 4 is the smallest even composite number. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. I hope you understood. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.